To do is turn on the computer. You press on the power button. The screen is already on. After the machine boots up, click on the icon that says Mogul. Hit reset. It'll click and turn on the Mogul. It should click. Then hit Home All. You put the collet in the nut and you click it. Then with a 13 and 21. The small one goes on the shaft. The large one goes on the nut. And you tighten. Best way if you could do it one hand. That's all the pressure you need, how you could tighten with one hand. Always make sure the bit is thicker than the piece you're cutting. I'm moving the X-axis to our wood piece, pressing the X plus button. But right now I just want to see if the bit is thick enough to cut the wood.
To lower the Z, we want to put it at 10% feed. Now we can lower the Z. The best way to get the mill close to the wood is by using a piece of paper. And we'll lower the Z down. And when you can't move the paper, that is the correct position. The X, Y, and Z are at the center of your workpiece. Once we hit 0, the coordinates for the workpiece will change to 0. Looking at the home origin, which is the machine coordinate system, we can see that our work is around 17 inches to the center of our piece. As you can see, X is at 17. When we hit 0 all, everything changes to 0. This is the work coordinate system. So on x-axis, from the machine coordinate system to the work coordinate system, there's about a 17-inch offset. The machine runs off a G-code, and it will use this offset. So we can look at the offset, and you can see the 17 inches for X. We don't need to concern ourselves with this because we work off the workpiece coordinate system, which is now 0, 0, 0. 0, X is 0, Y is 0, Z is at 0. We're going to raise the spindle bit up 1 inch. Now it's still at 10%, so we need to speed that up. We are now 1 inch above the workpiece. We are now 1 inch above the workpiece. And the reason we do that is so that way we can do a test run 1 inch above, and that way we can see if we hit any clamps. If we hit cycle start, it'll go down 1 inch and start cutting. So we need to come over here and change our z-axis to 0. The spindle turns on by lightly pressing the green button. Cycle start will run the program that we loaded. You can see the program right here. There are the G codes. Cycle start, here we go. Everything looks good, so we can stop it now. Come over here and hit cycle stop. Rewind the program. And now we can bring our z-axis down to the workpiece. And we'll do that by coming over to the jog panel, and we're going to go down and select our Z down, and we're going to go step. And we're stepping at 1/10 of an inch, so that means we need to step 10 times. And now we're touching the wood. So we can come and hit 0. And now the bit is zeroed. We can raise up our Z axis. And we can slow down our feed rate and press cycle start. Everything is running well, so we can increase the speed rate.
Load the second tool path, which was the pocket. Open. Do your tool change and run it. No, it's that one, right? That has tabs, I hope. Ready? Let's see what happens. Outside. That's the thing where it goes in slow to save the bit.